Hello kids! Welcome to Teacher Claire Online Tutorial. How are you today, kids? That's great! Today, we will be learning about the farm animals. Are you ready? Great! Come on, let's go! This is a farmer. A farmer is the one who takes care of the farm and the animals. Now, let us look what kind of animals are there in the farm. Come on! This is a goat. Again, goat. This is a horse. Again, horse. These are geese. Again, children. Geese. Very good. This is a pig. Again, kids. Pig. Very good. This is a chicken. Come again. Chicken. Very good. How about this one? This is a sheep. Again, children. Sheep. Very good. This is a cow. Again, cow. Very good. This is a rooster. Say it again, children. Rooster. Very good. This is a carabao. What is it again? Carabao. Very good. This is a duck. What is this again, children? Duck. Very good. Thank you for watching our video about farm animals. Very good. You are great students and learners. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to be the first one to watch our videos. Again, this is Teacher Claire. Thank you for watching our videos about farm animals. Bye, kids! Bye! See you again on our next classes. Bye-bye!